We have a product called Woodland wide plank flooring. We use all sustainably harvested woods from around BC. We are an FSC-certified producer. We have FSC-certified woods on Vancouver Island and in the interior of BC that we work with. We also work with other sustainably harvested woods. Beetle kill pine has been a very popular product that we've been bringing down from the interior, and windfall wood from all over the coast. And the last couple of winter storms, we've had a good supply of that. Something that was important for us was to, in looking at this carbon study, we took action initially to get a baseline reference point as to how good or bad we actually were, and we wanted to be able to measure ourselves against other flooring producers and just other businesses. It was kind of like being able to install a speedometer and fuel gauge in your car, but into your business, and actually see where you were. And it was a significant impact from our perspective, because we're doing a very green product line. Our customers come to us because we are doing green wood flooring and producing it in a green way, and even down to our finishings. We actually don't use a polyurethane finish. We use a reclaimed or a regrown vegetable oil and wax finish that we bring in from Germany. So this measurement was really significant in us being able to look at it and say, okay, what were we and how can we reduce it? And I think our biggest impact that we had, because we have to dry lumber in order to process it, was our heating costs, and our drying was our largest factor of about 78% of our emissions. And what we've actually done in 2007 is we've brought in a new, much more high-efficient kiln that uses computer control systems and heat recovery ventilation, and that reduced our impact already by 17% this year, and that was a big one. Where we go from here, we're going to be looking at other things like biomass burning. We've got a large production of nice, beautiful kiln-dried sawdust that comes out of our facility at the moment and goes off down the road to a topsoil producer, as well as we have local farmers that use it for their horses and chickens, and we're going to be looking at using that to generate heat for going back into our kiln again, because that's our largest some kind of source of CO2 emissions. There's other talks about maybe bringing an electric vehicle in, because we do some small running around town picking product up and delivering it. So those are things that we can do as a small business, and for us, I say our customers respond really positively to what we do and how we do it. Now we'll be able to market our product as having a certain emission of so many pounds per possibly square foot. We're going to be looking at those figures for 2008. Our goal is that we can look at becoming net zero for 2008 through both some implementation of some new processes in our shop, as well as possibly purchasing some carbon credits or offset credits until we actually be able to process in a completely net zero fashion.